Look back at the beginning. See how much ground you've covered. It wasn't easy, right? But you did it.
I'm all about perspective because I truly believe if you change your perspective, you change your life. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. How you view what you do impacts and affects how you do what you do. Perspective is everything. You can either look at mistakes and mess-ups as hindrances and roadblocks, or you can look at mistakes and mess-ups as opportunities and ways to grow and learn, right? And when you shift your perspective, the way that you navigate those things, the way that you deal with them, the way that you go through them, changes drastically.
Up one and you can chew, and then chew like hell. All of your growth will come from pushing beyond your current limit.
And life is tough sometimes, but you are making it. And that there is a reason that you are going through what you're going through. Wherever you are in your life is where you're supposed to be. And it's part of your journey. And I believe you know that this all ends really, really well. It can be tough right now. It all ends really, really well.
We say we want to get better. We say we want to learn about this or that. We say we want to make a change. We say we've decided to get serious. But is this true? Stoics had an expression, acta non verba, deeds, not words. So it's ironic that most of us say we want to make these improvements, but we can't or won't do the bare minimum.
In life, you either change intentionally or you change by crisis happening in your life.
Right.
Most of the time we change because of a girl broke up with us, somebody ripped us off, you got backstabbed, you lost everything. You change because shit hit the fan, right? The guys that change intentionally, you're almost like, but he's not the same. You don't see him for 6 months. And he's changed again. If you can change intentionally without crisis happening to you, you're ahead of everybody by 99% of people you're ahead of. It's not even a question.
Those who are willing to risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. You have to take the risk.
It always looks impossible when things change. It always feels impossible when that thing ends. It feels so impossible. But only when you keep telling the old story. Because in the old story, you can't see the vision. You can't feel it. In the old story, you'll do the old actions and you can't imagine a better future, but that's your job. Job one, each day bring the best of who you are and move in the next right direction of integrity for you. You don't have to know all the steps. Move in the next right direction. Always be moving in the right direction of integrity for yourself. And if you can do that faithfully over and over and over again, you keep growing. If you stop growing, you just got stuck in an old story, stuck in an old...
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with gold. Still trending. Right there. So the weekly and monthly half of gold is 4384.88. Weekly low 42.63.21. 43.84.88 is the high. The low 42.63.21. $43.24.05 is the midweek resistance. The monthly is also going to change, but this is likely going to change again if gold continues to make another high. The monthly low 39.25.04. Mid-month resistance of 41.54.96. We got gold coming into we got gold inside of a daily order block here. So we got it above the midweek resistance. We have an entry pattern here on a daily chart. So gold. And it did consolidate from Wednesday up until Friday and broke the consolidation on Friday. Now, gold is in. We don't have an indication of indication for profit for gold. We still have it following a daily trend here that hasn't broke below the trend. It's been buying for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. So we got a strong daily trend on gold. And we look to take the buy right in this area.
Turkey.
So we'll look to take the buy right around here for gold. If gold doesn't show any resistance out of this order block here, then it's not going to respect it. And right now it's breaking out of that order block. Breaking past the overall high.
And it's at 033.
Oh, what we cancel? What we cancel? I can. Okay. US 30. But a weekly high is 48. C36.4. The weekly low is 48,028.9. We got the weekly high, the US 30 at 48,236.4. The weekly low, 48,028.9. Given a midweek support of 48,132.7. We got an entry pattern for US 30 on a daily. This is indicating a change of direction. It's above the midweek, still above the mid-month. It made a new high and rejected here. I'm looking for US 30 to retest that high. This would be a TP1. Yeah. Should be a TP2, TP3. Yeah, I'm looking for US30 to retest that high before the sell is confirmed. The monthly low change on NAS. The monthly high, the monthly low change. The monthly high is 25,847.61. Monthly low 24,647.52. We got the high 25,847.61. We got the low 24,647.52. $25,247.57. Mid-month resistance. So that's the new coordinates for the month 9. We got the weekly high at 25,472.26. Got the weekly low at 25,242.27. So we got the weekly high 25,472.26. Got the weekly low at 25,242.27. We got a mid-month resistance of 25,357.27. Got Nas trying to change the direction. Nas is heading to retrace that high. I'd love to take a buy right around here for now. CP1, CP2, CP3. We got Nas on a change of direction here on a daily. We got an entry pattern. We got it above candle above the mid-month and above the mid-week. And this is where the order block is at, right here at the monthly high. So in accordance with the buy trend, I'm looking for Nas to continue up. Buy trend. Hey, Bitcoin moving crazy. Got the weekly high of Bitcoin at 89,600. Weekly low at 87,846.17. Weekly high 89,600. Weekly low 87,46.17. Give it a midweek resistance. Bitcoin 88. $88,723.09. Yeah. We do got somewhat of a buy trend right here on the daily. We did come in, test this order block, and is rejecting out of this order block here. That's the choppiness. We need a clear break on Bitcoin here. This is like real choppy movement right here. We need a break above this. Right here is unclear price action right here. So I would say no move on Bitcoin right now because of this right here. We need a break out of this. Even on a smaller time frame, it's still the same thing. Just a quick recap. Let me look at the DXY. Gold already broke the high. The monthly low on the DXY is 97.869. Got a monthly high, 99.567. Low, 97.869. Mid-month support is 98.718. We got the weekly high of 98. 98.7, 98.756. The weekly low of 98.598. The weekly high, 98.756. Weekly low, 98.598. Midweek is 98.677. Look like it's rejecting that monthly area right here. It's rejecting off the mid-month. Yeah. Indication for a sell right here with the doji and a flat. So the dollar is gonna be selling, and gold is gonna be buying. Then we got the dollar rejecting the mid-month. It looked like it was trending up here, but it's rejecting that resistance, that mid-month resistance right here. Like both times it came near rejected. It's below the mid-month, below the mid-week. You got an entry pattern for a sell here on a 4-hour. Of the dollar selling that confirmed. It's more confirmed about for what's happening on gold. I will wait for gold to finish making its indication before you try to adjust your chart. Don't try to adjust it while it's making these highs. Wait for an indication for gold to make a clear indication. Don't try to just hop in and thinking you're gonna miss the buy. It's gold. You know, once it makes its high, it's gonna pull back. So wait for the pullback. This is the area you're looking for to take the buy at right here. Right in here. When the pullback towards your trend. For US 30, when it comes down toward the midweek resistance, the midweek level of support, this is where you're looking to take your entry at. For US 30. For now, you want to wait until it pull back here. Towards your midweek level of support. Bitcoin, we have consolidation here. I wouldn't take no trades on Bitcoin because there's no clear indication of which way it's going to move. This is consolidation here. And I wanted to let y'all know Blue Guardian has a contest going on right now. I don't know if y'all familiar with the Blue Guardian prop firm. I don't use them currently, but they do have a contest going on to compete where they giving you $100,000 account to compete within the competition. I think the first prize is like $300 and $100K account. Second prize is like $100 or 200. Let me look it up. Let me look it up real quick for y'all. Y'all can see. Just a second. I'm pulling up the content. Mhm. I'm trying to see if they got the contest rules on here. I'm gonna post the exact contest rules in there. I was looking to see if they had it on the main page because I got like an email about it. So I'm gonna post the contest rules, but they're allowing you to get 100K account to participate in the contest rules. There's one for I believe December and there's one for January. But I'm gonna post the exact contest rules in there. If y'all interested in participating in their contest to win an account with them. I'll post the contest rules in there or link for the contest. I'll post it inside the Discord when the call is done. So right after the call is done, before I post the video, I'm gonna post the contest rules in there. So if y'all interested, y'all can check it out prior to anything. Okay. So any questions? All right. If we don't have no questions, I'm gonna go ahead and end it out. I'm gonna have the call posted but prior to London session. Y'all use proper risk management. Let's get this money for this week. End out the year right.